Welcome to this guide on CPU and processor terms. We'll explore the fundamental concepts of cores, threads, clock speed, and cache memory. These are essential terms you need to understand when learning about computer processors or choosing a new computer. The CPU, or Central Processing Unit, is often called the brain of your computer. It's responsible for executing every instruction and performing all calculations. Whether you're browsing the web, editing documents, or playing games, every single action goes through the CPU first. A CPU core is essentially a separate processor built into the main chip. Think of it like having multiple workers instead of just one. More cores allow your computer to handle multiple tasks simultaneously. Common configurations include dual-core with 2 cores, quad-core with 4 cores, and octa-core with 8 cores. A thread is a virtual version of a CPU core that enables one physical core to handle multiple tasks at the same time. This technology is called hyperthreading. For example, if you have 4 cores and each core can run 2 threads, you get 8 threads total. This improves multitasking performance significantly. Clock speed measures how many instructions a CPU can process per second. It's measured in gigahertz, abbreviated as GHz. 1 gigahertz equals 1 billion cycles per second. A higher clock speed means faster processing, especially for tasks that rely on a single core. CPUs have 2 important clock speed ratings. The base clock is the minimum guaranteed speed at which the CPU runs continuously without any issues. The boost clock is the maximum speed the CPU can reach for short bursts when you need extra performance. The boost clock automatically kicks in when you're running demanding applications. Cache is ultra-fast memory built directly into the CPU chip. It stores frequently accessed data so the processor can retrieve it instantly. Instead of waiting for data to come from the much slower RAM, the CPU can grab it from cache immediately. This dramatically improves overall performance. CPU cache is organized into 3 levels. L1 cache is the smallest and fastest, located closest to the processor cores. L2 cache is larger but slightly slower than L1. L3 cache is the largest and is shared across all cores. Each level serves as a backup for the faster level above it. TDP stands for thermal design power. It indicates the maximum amount of heat a CPU generates under normal operation, measured in watts. A higher TDP means the processor produces more heat and requires better cooling solutions. This is crucial information when selecting a CPU cooler and planning your computer's airflow. Let's recap the key concepts. More cores and threads enable better multitasking performance. Higher clock speeds in gigahertz mean faster processing for single-core tasks. Cache memory reduces data access delays dramatically. And the TDP rating helps you determine what cooling solution you need. Understanding these processor terms will help you make informed decisions when choosing or upgrading your computer's CPU.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.